What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Si Kuya with Mario and Graham. It's a midnight recording. Congrats to TNT Tropang 5G, tying the series 1-1 on this Friday, June 5. And Kelvin Optana, welcome back. It's been a while since we last saw you have this kind of game, no? Even the commentators were saying na it's nice to see Calvin na nahanap yung kumpiyansa niya ulit. Pero rather is the Calvin we know, no, when it comes to number one, pagka Hinebra kalaban, and number two in the PBA in general. And maganda rin, dagdag ko na rin na this guy has an injury, no, that he will have surgery on
At the end.
after the season is over. So,
Mm.
which makes this feat more, the 31 points, 10 rebounds, and an assist, a good one. Off night naman for Hinebra. Nakita natin yung NSD sa dulo, but we all know na it's already the lead was already too big to come back from. But nice to see that fight. John Abbey sighting also in the fourth quarter.
You
Big
know who there
comeback
was.
alert.
You know
Big
who there
comeback
wasn't
alert.
a sighting of, man.
Sino?
Hey, we're gonna get to that,
Ah, yeah,
guys.
we're gonna
Second,
get there. Let's give credit
I'm
muna to the winners. Give credit to the winner first.
beyond
TNT.
pissed. All right, let's see. TNT. Mario, you
Me,
wanna go?
I
You
got it. I
go.
got it. I got it. Um,
I got
Calvin
it. I
Oftana.
got it.
Here's Calvin Oftana, bro. And that's basically all this. He was hitting contested threes, open threes. He was attacking yung defense ni kahit sino man yung nasa harapan niya eh. Holt, RJ, Scotty, kahit sino. He's willing to attack. Kaya, ganun talaga. And let's be real, this is two good games in a row for, I think, Brandon Ganbelas Rosser had two good
Yeah.
games in a row.
From the previous series
Mhm.
pa actually, Mario.
Yeah.
Not just two. Mga 3-4 na nga
Yeah, mga
ata.
3 or 4 games na to, no? He's had
Tuloy-tuloy na.
3 or 4 good games already in this series na, I mean, in this playoffs in a row where parang as long as he's not committing dumb fouls or as long as he's not in foul trouble ng sobra, may magagawa talaga siya kasi he can defend. He always benefits from yung mga drop passes ng guards and yung ball movement ng TNT. And then Chris McCullough did Chris McCullough things like
Yeah.
not even a great game from him. Honestly, 19 points is pretty pedestrian from him. Um, I would say the biggest part of Chris McCullough's game is yung pag gusto niya mag-rebound ng bola, kaya niyang kunin yun kahit against anybody. Against
Laki niya,
anybody, I
haba
think,
niya eh.
yeah, he's taller than than everyone. He can jump a bit higher than everyone. The only guy who he could have competed with against was probably Japet, but Japet, is really a bit older na talaga. He can't
At
really get
may
much.
iniinda din. Yeah.
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 And of course, Jordan Heading. Um, Whenever TNT needed a response in the fourth quarter, it was Jordan Heading. Diba? He hit a three-pointer top of the key, if I remember it, to bring their lead back to double digits. Tapos may corner three din siya to bring it back to double digits with like a few minutes left, like 3 minutes left. Heading had the answers whenever they needed it, as per usual. Tapos, good. The 4-point shots from Renan Batak were painful to say the least. He hit one I think he hit two actually in the second half, which kind of, those were his only field goals, by the way. Those were the ones na medyo masakit talaga.
Ray?
Yeah, ni Ray. Yeah, kasi
Okay.
dalawang 4-pointer yun eh. Alam mo yun, like, sakit nun. And if you're Hinebra, I don't think you hit any, if I'm remembering it correctly. Ano, you hit one, si Maya pa. Yeah, that's just how it was. It honestly just looked like Hinebra didn't want to play this game until the fourth quarter. Parang sa fourth quarter lang sila gusto maglaro. First to third, TNT outplayed them basically every way possible. And a lot of missed shots from Hinebra na probably should have gone in, but they don't. And then, yeah, TNT's defense was very good. Not much else to say, man. If this game didn't become close in the fourth quarter, you would barely have anything to say in this video. But because it did,
This is very
obviously,
hard to say. Actually, matatapos tayo mga less than 10 minutes. If
yeah, kasi
tuloy-tuloy lang yung run till the end, like, guys,
yeah,
kita
like
nyo
if they
naman
just
eh.
kept blowing them
Kita nyo
out,
naman
what
eh.
would you say, diba? So yeah, dude, this is just a very normal bounce back game from TNT. You're not gonna be able to beat TNT um handily or easily what is called
Tama yung guess ni Graham though.
one
He said
off.
TNT would win by 7. And they did win by
Oh
7.
my God.
Dude, Graham got it right perfectly. He said TNT
7 to
would blow
10.
them
He said
out.
7 to 10.
Tapos hahabulin nung Hinebra ng fake comeback.
Pero fake
And they
come.
still will
na
lose
alam
7
niya
to
na.
10.
Alam mo nanonood ng PBA. Alam mo nanonood ng PBA.
Yeah, it's either he watches Hinebra games, he's the one who writes the script for Hinebra games, or he just knows the PBA that well, man. And
He
yeah,
does.
that's all
I
it was.
think the ball knowledge on PBA.
That's all it was from TNT, man. We said it before, Jordan Heading needs to have a good series and a good game for them to win, and Jordan Heading had a good game.
Yeah, you're right. Everything you said was right. Calvin Oftana was really, really good. Uh, pag pumasok yung unang tira ni Calvin Oftana, parang ang hirap ang hirap pigilan. Streaky. Actually, he's not streaky. He's not qualified as a streaky shooter because he's a really good shooter. Para siya Klay Thompson, parang ganon. When he's hot, talagang mahirap pigilan. 31, 11 of 18 shooting. I probably can only remember one or two of the 7 misses that he had. So, really, really great game. Dito mo mararamdaman yung height difference pag Commissioner's Cup. Yeah, si Chris
Yeah.
McCullough is bigger than Brownlee, bigger than anyone sa Hinebra except probably kay Japet. Na sinabi nga natin, limited minutes because he's injured, and that's fine. But in the end, yung outside shooting ng TNT, nung game 1, especially in the first half, maalat na maalat yun eh. Now in the first, actually the whole game, they were shooting well. The if you're box score watching, you'll feel like 9 of 29 lang. Pero bumaba kasi yan nung nagkaroon ng run yung Hinebra. Pero they were shooting well from 3. Or at least that's what I felt. Pero yung TNT talaga, sabi nga ni Mario, mahirap yan talunin, in 5 games, especially a sweep. That's not gonna happen. So, they played well tonight. PGR is imposing his will. Yung problema ko sa Hinebra, and I'll get to that in a second, is why are they not playing Japet to match up with BGR? But again, I'll get to that in a moment. Kinakain talaga ni BGR yung bantay niya eh. Ironically, pinaka nahirapan siya kay Ralph Gu. I'm not sure kung nahirapan siya kay no, not Ralph Gu. Isaac Go rather. Sorry. I'm not sure kung nandun siya. I can't remember kung nandun siya sa
Isaac Go, good game though.
floor.
6 minutes, 10
Yeah.
points, 3 rebounds.
He had a good game. We'll get to him in a
Didn't
second.
miss a shot.
Pero bro, si BGR has been filling up the role of of Kelly Williams na MIA pa rin sa series, which hindi naman na masyado tayo nanghihingi kay Kelly, and si Poy Eram, who's their supposedly next best big man. So starters played well for them. Yung bench okay lang, but they actually didn't need it. If someone scored almost 33% of your points, Calvin Oftana did, then someone already carried you, and all you had to do is support him. And that's what happened to TNT. Great start. The theme of this series so far is the team that starts well wins the game. Another team, of course, will come back. It's not San Miguel Inebra na it's gonna stay a 17-point game majority of the game. Like, these teams will really make a
Back and
run at
forth.
some point in the game. Back and forth, you're right about that. Actually, it's not back and forth, but someone will really knock at that door. Someone will really bang at that door. Someone will get through that door. But the team that had the lead ends up winning in the first 2 games. So, exciting game 3 ahead. But I'm not feeling really happy tonight, as you all know. And I'm not apologizing for it. Not embarrassed for it. My team lost with the exact way I predicted. Coach Tim, all you had to do is listen to this guy. TNT is gonna start strong. We're gonna make a comeback. So, I don't know. Probably
Yes,
should listen
listening
to
to
the
you.
pod, Coach Tim. I don't know. You mean game 3 though. But yeah, great win by TNT. It's a win that I don't think they would have gotten if natalo sila ng game 1. Parang magre-relax siguro sila a bit na, hey, we were able to beat them again. We are, TNT, we are their dada, their son. Is our son. But now they needed this win. Heading into game 3, I think they should be the favorites. But We'll see how it goes.
Honestly, dito sa game na to, game 2, I feel like you could say na whoever won game 1, sa game 2 babawi yung kabila. Kasi if
Yeah,
TNT won it, Hinebra would have wanted to make a bawi. Tapos if Hinebra won it, it's not like in the NBA na game 1 and 2 usually sa home team yun, di
home
ba?
court. Yeah. Yep.
Dito kasi
Yeah.
wala naman tayong home court, di ba? Unless taga-NU ka and nasa Bawari na ka. So,
It's not even their home court, man. It's big and
it's
it's
just Bella.
Ateneo.
Huh?
It's Ateneo and big. Yun ang home court.
I mean, yeah, but let's be real, bro. NU and MOA, I mean, like Bella Belen owns MOA,
No,
no?
it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Same thing.
Any
Like
doesn't have
UST and QPAV,
yung
Ateneo
mga
and
ganon. Yung mga ganon. Yeah.
DLSU and Razon, etc., etc.
Yeah.
So,
And Lex and Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Oh, my
And
bad.
Lex dito yung That is home court. That is home court.
Bro, alam mo yung surprised ako sa TNT? It felt like Nambata had more than 10. Alam mo,
bro, kasi
nagbibigit
ang
kasi
bigat
ng mga
ng mga
tinira niya eh.
ang
Mabigat
bigat
nga
ng mga
mga
tira
yeah.
niya. Like the
Gulat
timing
ako
of
10
the
points
shot.
lang siya.
Bro, yung dalawang 4 talaga yung malupit doon. Yung dalawa. Kasi
He's
if
the
I
best 4-point shooter sa PBA, no?
Siya
You
ba
think?
best? One
Is
of
it?
the.
He
Alam ko
actually,
one
no,
of
no.
the.
I think
All,
stats-wise, he actually is the best 4-point
like
shooter.
percentage-wise, siya ang best 4-point
If I
shooter.
remember it, last conference, yes. This conference, I'm not sure. Pero last conference siya talaga. I remember it. I remember seeing the stat on it at that time. Yeah, dude. Graham and I have covered basically most of it, man. Like, you're not gonna have an easy time beating TNT. It's not possible. They're good. They're a very loaded team. They're a well-coached team.
Mm.
And as long as TNT doesn't let calls get to their head, they're very tough to beat. Kasi alam mo naman talaga yun, brother. When calls don't go TNT's way, alam mo na yun. Parang ang bigat na nun sa isip nila. 'Di ba? So, that's just the difference. In this game, calls, they didn't feel
I
like
have,
the call was bad against them. So, they were fine.
I have a question about you. How can they let calls go into their head when they're getting all the calls in the world and the non-calls in the world?
I'm not gonna
Let's.
have this
No
debate.
comment. No comment.
I rarely use the refs as an excuse, but they got the better calls tonight.
25
And
free throws today. But they were more aggressive though. Mas
no,
locked
it's
in
not.
sila
It's
from
not the
the
free
start.
throws. I mean,
I
it's
think he's
not
talking
just
about
the
some
free
tiki-tak
throws.
calls, I guess.
Tiki-tak
Yes.
calls ba? Yan ba yung...
Oh man, ang lala nung especially in the fourth quarter. May mga yung drive ni Brownlee na walang foul that led to heading
Are you
three-pointer.
heading three sa corner?
Ang lala nun for me mabigat yun. I mean, again, I accept the loss. Hindi ako devastated like game 7 yung nung finals last year. But all I'm saying is they got the better calls tonight. Okay? And TNT fans should admit that. Okay? It's not something na talagang gamitin ko as an excuse because they never had a slow start. That's what lost them the game, not the referees. But TNT got the calls that they had to get when they had to get it. So I mean, may karapatan pa kayo magreklamo because of that. That's something else. Pero they were the better team tonight. All credits go to them. 98 action, just 98%. 2% go to the refs.
Okay. I guess now we can talk about Ginebra, right? I'm assuming now we can go to Ginebra. Wait lang, give me a second.
Before you go to Ginebra, again, our Pagoy only had 10. Felt like he had more.
It's the
I don't know.
timing of the shots of these guys, man. It's yung, I think if I remember correctly, parang may Pogoy 3-pointer na ang sakit kasi alam mong like end of the shot clock. Alam mo yung mga papatay talaga. Tapos, like McCullough, bro. McCullough only had 19 pero meron siyang parang crowd silencer nung fourth quarter. It's the same thing na they always had an answer in that exact moment na kailangan nila ng sagot. And it's the same as when, what series are we talking about? I think we're talking about, ayun din, TNT Meralco, di ba? When Meralco was making runs, TNT always had an answer. Or when
Yeah.
in Ross or Hinebra series, whenever Ross making a run, Hinebra always had an answer. TNT is one of those teams na lagi may sagot. So, yeah. Going to Hinebra.
All
uh,
right.
okay, ito. Ito. Ganito yun. We know that it's not fully, not even, not even half. It's not all Stephen Holt's fault. Alam naman namin yun.
Mhm.
And we're not saying now, okay, I hate that I always have to bring this up. People always say, mas magaling ba kayo kay Holt? No, we're not. We're not. We're
Yeah.
not better basketball players than the pro athlete who gets paid millions of pesos every month to play the game. Okay?
Yeah. I'm
And
not a
it's just,
jeepney driver, but I know when not to cross, solid lines.
yeah,
They're pro
like,
drivers.
Use
guys,
your chef analogy. Use the chef one.
pull out give me a kiss analogy, guys.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss on the neck.
Hey, I mean,
Uh,
I-
That's my
I'm not
weakness
Johnny
right there.
Sins, but I know when a kiss is bad. Is that a good analogy?
but man, I'm sorry. 1 point is just not it. And then, ito yung sabihin niya, he's there to defend Calvin. Did he defend Calvin tonight?
Did he?
Actually, he did not even defend Calvin. Si Scotty nakatawa kay Calvin eh.
That
So,
was not a
so
great
what's going
matchup.
on?
Like,
It's not, yeah, what's going on?
man, it's not fully his fault. And we have a group where everybody is blaming Stephen Holt fully. Hindi fully kasalanan ni Stephen Holt, okay? There were a lot of missed shots in the
So
first
90%
quarter.
lang. 90% lang.
Yung kay Graham na hindi ba 98? Sige.
Kay Grim 98.
Pero dude, you lost this game because your first quarter was absolutely terrible, okay? You were missing bunnies. You were missing jumpers you usually make.
Layups.
Ralph Koo had an air, alala ko yung sequence na to eh. Jeremiah Gray took a 3. Masyado siya malakas, air ball, masyado malakas. Next possession, Ralph Koo shot a 3. Air ball, masyado mahina.
Masyado mahina.
Must be the wind.
It must be the wind, it must be, I don't know, must be something. But hirap lang talaga sila.
Bukas
Like,
yung bintana sa Araneta. Sobrang bukas
yeah,
ang
bad
bintana
game
sa
lang. Bad game lang talaga. Ganun talaga. Anong magagawa mo, man? JB was missing some
dirty.
pretty open, not like open, pero like yung mga mid-range niya na medyo sure ball. He was missing a good amount of them. 'Di ba? It was a bad shooting game from your guys. Pero again, man, Stephen Holt can't have 1 point. I'm sorry. You cannot have 1 point. Mas
Not two
lalo,
shots
you cannot
either.
have 2 shots. Mas
Kasi si
lalo,
Ralph ko 10 attempts.
yeah,
Laban.
Ralph Koo
9-9
shot
pala.
9
9-9 pala.
Ralph Koo shot the ball 9 times. And admittedly, I might say he might have shot it a little too much. But
Okay na yun. Bumabawi sa previous conferences yan.
yeah, like he was shooting some shots that maybe weren't the best shots.
Janabis din nung endgame.
Like, fade away
Janabis to.
mid-ranger, medyo nabigla ako dun, Ralph. Pero man, 2 shots as a supposed top 4 player of our team, right? Top 3. There are moments at top 3 dapat siya. Oh man, that just really sucks balls, admittedly. I'll always believe in Stephen, I have to believe in Stephen Holt, not like he's going away anytime soon unless he isinoli siya. But I don't know who you trade him for.
Turn the gang. The gang's coming back. Wami's there.
Wami, Stephen's back.
Dalawa.
Tapos
Pilit na lang.
Tapos ibabalik ng Magnolia si Javi.
Andres Kahilig, di ba?
Yeah, si
Hey.
Kahilig.
Sa Terra Firma. Man, listen. I get the Stephen Holt part. Yeah. I understand it. Kasi he needs to be better. He's a top 5 player in this team. Gets good. But bro, what did Ralph could do good tonight? I wanna know. Kasi hindi siya nilabas in the midst of the run. And I get it, 'di ba? Meron tayong mga Pilipino utang na loob. Like, ginawa mo 'yan eh, 'di ba? Kailangan bayaran ko 'yung utang na loob na 'yan. I'll pay it off by playing you more. But he was not hitting shots. Not only was Ralph Koo missing 3-pointers, he was missing layups. He was missing layups in the end. And yung nabibigay ni Ralph Koo sa'yo, kayang-kaya ibigay ni Troy Rosario eh. I get it, si Troy had foul trouble tonight. He had 4 fouls in the third quarter ata. But hindi ba siya pwedeng ipasok with 4 minutes to go, 3 minutes to go? Would it have been disruptive enough dun sa rhythm para sabing, I don't wanna fix something that's not broken. It's working. Ralph is working. but he's not contributing anything kanina. I did not feel him at all. I get it. Mas madali pagbintangan Stephen Holt. And I want to go at Stephen Holt, man. 0 for 2. You're watching a lot of Ben Simmons and Chet Holmgren, brother. Stop doing that. It's not good for you. It's not good for me. It's not good for us. There was a game wherein sa finals you're the best player despite guarding RHJ. And now you're not even guarding Calvin Oftana. You're not even guarding Chris McCullough.
Ano
Who are you
nangyari
guarding,
dyan?
man? Bro, si Jordan Heading nga yung binabantay sa kanya. You can't even post up Jordan Heading. Ralph Koo posted up Jordan Heading. Diba?
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Ralph Koo posted up Jordan and took a fadeaway sa mid-range.
Diba?
Ano.
And again, who has more license to post up Jordan Heading and take a ridiculous shot? Siyempre si Stephen Holt
Defend,
over Ralph Koo. Right? But again, man, I want to go back to Ralph Koo because he missed a lot of shots tonight. You're right. I'm fine with you taking shots, Ralph Koo, but 9 shots?
That's a lot.
One of
right?
9? Yeah. And
And
again,
like, some
Ralph
of
Koo,
them weren't good shots.
Mhm.
Like may iba na sige pwede mo itira yung libre ka eh. But there were some na medyo this is not the system. This is not the parang ano yung sinabi nila doon? Do you practice that shot or
Yeah. Do you take that shot?
do you take
Spanish
that
viewing?
shot?
What,
Yeah, that's how
what
it
is that
man.
shot? Diba? Yeah, I agree. Another thing, man, what's going on? Scotty Thompson. We didn't see him in the fourth quarter. Unless he's injured, which he has a hamstring issue. At some point, pwede mo siya ibalik over Jan Abis. I know Jan Abis scored a huge basket, di ba? A layup
Yeah.
in
John
the
Abis
Coconut
played
down
well.
6. I
Pero
acknowledge that. Pero
bro,
at some point, when the game was, nafe-feel mo na bumabalik na sa yung momentum, it's fine. It's fine na ibalik mo yung star players mo. I mean, let's say the Lakers are down 28, nababa nila sa 12 without Luka. Do you think Luka's not coming back with 3 minutes to go? Luka's coming back,
Babalik yun dapat.
right?
yeah.
I mean, bumalik nga si RJ in favor of Nards Pinto, di ba?
Oo.
Bumalik nga si Brownie in favor of Isaac Go. Dapat nga, hindi nilabas si Isaac Go, di ba?
Sayang sa atin na
So,
si Isaac.
Yeah.
Pero
And in the last play, we were down 6. Okay, sige, nilabas mo si... May isang nilabas eh. I think basta may isang nilabas na... Si Abis. Nilabas si
Si Abis.
Abis. Pinalit mo Stephen Holt. That guy was not a threat.
he wasn't gonna shoot the ball.
He's never gonna shoot the ball.
He wasn't gonna shoot the ball. Man, but I'll give the credit. I want to give credit to Abis. Yes, 4 points. Pero man, he played well. I believe maganda yung energy na pinapakita niya. Especially in a game na parang ang pagod ng Hinebra maglaro. Parang ayaw nila maglaro. Ito yung mga kailangan mo yung Abis na parang, o sige, tara, gising tayo, laro tayo. You know what I mean? He provided that. He had the layup, I think, to cut it to 6. Tapos
6.
after that, naka-layup si Brownlee after.
Yes.
Yeah. Pero he did have a mistake. I will admit he did have a mistake. And
That
it's
cost them the game.
cost them the game.
Hindi
I
naman,
think
but more of close the door na
it
comeback.
kind of closed the door. It
When
closed
they
the
come
door
back,
of the
not
game.
lose the game.
Yeah, but it didn't lose them the game. They were, I think, even if he converted on
Down
some.
4 sila nun eh. Yung nag-drive siya,
Yeah.
hindi niya alam
Down 4,
gagawin.
di ba?
He was like,
Yeah,
whoa,
man, that's just yun yung parang ano na parang
inexperience. That's inexperience.
inexperienced na talaga
Okay
siya.
na. Rookie.
Bro,
Even
nagulat siya, hindi si Ken Gortisa yung nasa harap niyo. Kaya siya,
sabi ni,
King
sabi ni,
Gortez.
sabi ni.
How about our short king, Kylo
Bro,
Chavo?
nag-iisip
Kala
pa ako
Chavo,
ng
eh.
nag-iisip pa ako ng NCAA player.
Kala Chavo.
Pero totoo yun. Like, in the NCAA, sanay ka.
King Gortez.
Si Abis, if he's pushing that fast break. Didiretso yan, men. That could be Maguliano. It could be
JP
Cortiza,
Maguliano.
It could be Harvey Pagsanhan. Kahit sino man yan, brother.
Justin
Again,
Sanchez. This is
Justin
Allen.
Sanchez, kaya niya yun. He'll probably drive it. Pero ito, iba to. I think yung kaharap niya nun, Oftana and Pogoy. I think
Mga mama.
Oh, yun yung parang, uy, gagi, Oftana to.
Mga kuya ko to, mga kuya ko to.
I don't know
Kuya
I don't know
Calvin.
what happened there. Was he trying to pass it to RJ too late?
There was
Kasi
a indecision.
naman.
Indecision.
Libre na siya eh.
Hindi niya alam grab gagawin.
Libre si RJ, brother. Yun yung alam ko dun. Libre si
Nagsak na
RJ.
yung defense
I'm going
sa
through
kanya
the
eh, di ba?
replay nga eh.
Bro, libre
Yeah.
si RJ. Like, wala siya, like, pwede siyang, umihi, pwede siyang kumuha ng kape, pwede siyang magpila dun sa Shake Shack dun sa labas, tapos
Popcorn, yeah.
kumuha ng
Shake Shack.
burger. Yun, kaya niyang gawin lahat yun, men. Kaya niya magpakuha ng sukli dun sa ate na nagbebenta ng milk tea. Like, bro, kaya niyang gawin lahat yun. Ganun siya kalibre. But Abis, I think, didn't see RJ or he was scared to throw the pass. Got too much into the paint. Tapos when he tried to throw the ball out na, wala namin. At that point, surrounded ka na ng Pugoy, ng Makala, ng Oftana. And then, I will say it didn't cost them the game, but I do believe yan yung naging unang nail eh. Yan yung unang, like, pako sa coffin na, okay, that's it, that's life. What can we...
Wow. Pako sa coffin.
Pako in the coffin.
Patay ka,
Sabi,
gagi sa
sabi kasi
coffin.
nila masyado ako nag-i-English eh. So I'm trying.
That is so,
Yeah.
that is
Malala.
so
Sige, mag-English ka na
Ateneo.
lang kung ganun din.
That is so Ateneo. It
Pako.
really just
I'm
Gagi,
trying.
hindi ko kasi nasabi yun.
I'm
Yeah.
trying, man. I'm trying.
But
yeah,
man, yeah, you're right, man. Yun talaga yung naging ano, yun talaga yung nagsara ng door sa kanila kasi after that you'll feel na nawala na eh, di ba? Parang yung gano'n. Tapos next possession na foul si C-Mac. C-Mac ba or Calvin. And he sank 2 free throws. Pero there were some positives on Ginebra. Like Maya Gray has been playing well in these
Yeah.
finals, right? We are happy to see Maya. Yung ba yung kapalit? Like hindi sila pwede magsabay si Holt tsaka
Hindi
si
sila
Maya.
pwede
Like isa
magsabay.
lang yung pwedeng ano eh, no? Isa lang yung pwedeng pumutok sa kanila.
There will only one
Um,
guy scoring.
which is unfortunate. It's like, isa lang yung pwede pumutok between Patrick Gardner and Brandon Bates. Alright, we'll choose Patrick Gardner. Ito lang yung pwedeng pumutok for Ginebra. Another thing,
30 minutes, Jeremiah Gray, man. 30
by the way, Mario, it would have been nice if there's a first round pick that we can use in these minutes. It's sad na yung second round pick pa natin.
Si
yung
Giannis,
pwede
yung Greek
natin
freak nyo.
gamitin. Yeah. Yeah. But Isaac,
ang bibig.
actually, Isaac going Norbert Torres, both played well. Si Norbert
High
kasi
IQ
nung second
players, man.
quarter, yun eh.
Grand total of 11 minutes, by the way. They played a grand
Yeah,
total of 11 minutes.
Combined.
and 15 points.
Yeah. Gets naman, I think yung belief is mas mabilis kasi yung players ng TNT. Pero man, let's be real. Is BGR attacking you off the dribble? He's not. Yung pwede lang yung maging talagang mismatch mo dun is C-Mac or Calvin dun sa what's it called?
Pick and roll.
If you have Isaac or Norbert on the court. Kasi alangan naman, I doubt naman na i-match up sila dun kila Pugoy and whatever. So, especially now na medyo, let's be real, Japet is probably last legs. Probably on his last legs, si Japet.
Feel ko 1 to 2
He's
years
hurt
na lang si
talaga, bro.
Japet. Feel
He's
ko
hurt
1 2
talaga.
years na lang siya.
He's hurt, he's old. Like I saw this one comment in our last video, and whoever commented it was really true. Yung
Kay
thoughts
Castro.
natin kay Jason Castro, na parang whatever you can get from him, you can get from him. Same for Japet. Whatever you can get from Japet, yun na rin makuha mo eh. He's old, he's hurt, that's how it really works. So you kind of need to transition na talaga into Go and Norbert Torres. Ito yung time na parang gusto mo talaga gamitin si Kemart Carino.
Yeah.
Pero
I don't know
pagbago
why
eh.
he's
Hindi,
playing, by
hindi
the
pa
way.
magamit ni Coach T. Hindi pa niya magamit.
In the finals.
Okay si Kemart eh. I like his length, bro.
Bro, ginamit niya nga si Abis eh. For
Yeah, if you're gonna
scouting
use Abis, might as well, diba? Pakita mo. Like, you can look at
Pero mas
everyone.
matagal si Abis more than Mark to. Kaya Mark. Mas matagal ba si Abis?
by a conference.
By a conference. Yeah. Yeah. Kaya Mark
It's
was
like
a
saying
trade.
Ginebra made the finals first before TNT. Yeah, by 2 hours.
May 2 hours.
Yeah,
Yeah,
dude.
yeah.
Yung mga parang masarap gamitan si Mike Phillips,
Oh,
Kemart Carino.
Oh, yan na naman.
Sorry. One
Layo
conference.
nun
Looking
ah.
ahead.
Oh,
Looking ahead.
wag ka mo nga rin naman. Kaya gets ba't mo na siguro naisip yun?
Looking
No?
ahead.
One conference ahead ba? Sorry.
Looking ahead. Calm down.
Yeah, man. Those are the mistakes lang talaga. Right? There were some moments din na, admittedly for me, ito. There was a play na the game was down to 6. Tapos Justin Brownlee took a really ill-advised layup attempt na puro board lang yung tinamaan. I think
Oh, all board.
I think yun yung sinasabi mo na baka foul, pwede tawagan ng foul game.
Yun
I'm
yan.
not- Yun ba yung play na yun?
No, it was a 4-point.
4-point.
No, 7-point game yun eh. Yeah, 7-point game. Tama. Tapos led to
Tapos,
heading 3.
sinutres ni heading. And then, I think, like, admittedly, I'm not trying to be biased here. I'm really not trying to be biased, by the way. Yung foul call on Calvin, dun sa last 1 minute, yung that extended their lead to 6, I'm not sure if that's actually a foul. I didn't see it.
It was kay Ralph ko.
Natamaan ba
It
siya
was a
sa
foul.
kamay? Sa
Matamaan
arm?
siya, yeah. I'm watching
Sa
it
arm?
now.
Akala ko body contact. So I was like, I don't see the body. Pero kung arm, sige, bigay ko na. And then, let's be real, dude. TNT tried to give Ginebra this game. Uh, they were running no offense in the fourth quarter anymore. It was, sana ma-foul tayo, sana maka-free throw tayo. And McCullough was missing free throws also. It's just one of those games, dude. You can't win them all. You're not gonna beat TNT in 4 games. You're probably not gonna beat them in 5 games either. That's just how it's gonna be. You have to beat TNT in a slugfest. It's not gonna be an easy game.
That's right.
Ang hope ko lang talaga for Coach Tim and Hinebra, if you see na medyo maalat na talaga ang play, tama na yan, man. There's you don't have the luxury of keeping a player in against TNT. Walang ganun sa TNT. Pwede mo yan gawin sa teams who don't have that much depth, like let's say Meralco. If they're facing off against Meralco, I think you have a bit more of a leash for guys like Holt and Ralph Koo or Japet. Pero against a team like TNT who will capitalize on every single one of your mistakes, you don't have the luxury of parang extending these minutes. And I just want to say this, diba, Graham, sinabi natin to dati. Nag-a-advise tayo, pero yung advice na yun, ano yun, man? Hindi yan, hindi yan all the
Yeah.
time.
Tapos software nga ng phone nag-update di ba? So
Oo.
nag-update din yung advice namin.
Ano yun, guys? Apply when needed.
Parang mas foul ni
Yeah.
Abyss more than ni Ku. I'm watching the
You watching
foul
the
on.
replay?
Oh,
Gotcha.
parang more on Abyss than Ku.
Pero kay
I
Ku
thought there
yung,
was
alam
no.
ko kay Ku yung
Parang
foul.
parang mukha siyang
Right?
walang foul.
You see what I'm saying?
Parang dumaplis
Parang
lang. He
wala.
was moving to the left na eh. Tapos sabi ng ref, gumanon daw. Wala namang ginawa si Ralph. Ang layo ni Ralph.
Parang
Anyway,
wala.
doesn't matter. You gotta give it to
Yeah.
TNT. We're not making
Yeah.
excuses. It's really a win for
Yeah,
TNT.
you gotta give it to TNT, including that call. But couple of things. Number one, Mario, your point na hindi mo pwedeng ibabad yung player na walang ginagawa. There are only 3 guys on Hinebra na pwede mo yung gawin. Brownlee, Scotty, and now I'm gonna say RJ. Kasi in the previous conferences, pag walang ginagawa si RJ, labas mo na eh. Now, you need him. You need him
More than
sa
ever.
team. More than ever, that's right. Kasi again, Brownlee is not young anymore. And he almost played 40 minutes again. Actually, RJ topped him with 38 minutes. Brownlee at 37. Number 2, there has to be an explanation kung bakit hindi nakabalik si Scotty in the fourth. Like, this guy's a former MVP, did not play a single second in the fourth quarter. So, it's either he's hurt, which I'm hoping he's not,
Scheduled rest.
or load management.
Scheduled
Kawhi Leonard kind of thinking.
Sabi ni Coach Tim, this is the long game. It's a marathon. It's not a sprint.
Yeah, and number 3, bro, change the starting lineup, please. If you
Pasok
wanna
na
put
si
Ralph
Gray.
in the starting
Pasok na si
lineup,
Ralph.
I think si
Gray or
Ralph
Ralph?
ko. Yeah. Ralph ko can be in the starting lineup. Surprise TNT. Maybe Steven Holt is comfortable off the bench. Or probably not. That guy is
Maybe out of the team.
probably
He's comfortable
started.
when he wears that green and white.
Hey, here's what I'm gonna tell you, man. Last game of Stan sa Hinebra, it was still good. If you want out of Hinebra, this
There's
is
too
the
much
way
bad
to do
blood,
it,
bro.
but
I don't think
Yeah.
C-Stan would even like.
no, all I'm saying is we never knew based on how Stan played na he's going out of Hinebra. Ito Steven Holt looks like body language, di ba? It's not in sync. Started by Jordan Heading, man. Come on. But yeah, I think the first 2 games, I think TNT has shown they're the better team. Based on what I saw. That's a tough thing to say. But yeah,
Guys, shoutout
losing
ko lang
ng-
si Ice. Si Boss Benedict nag-post sa group natin. Sabi niya, I got a feeling that game 3 will be a Stephen Holt breakout game. And Ice,
Oh,
Eyes was very honest about it. He said he just doesn't have it in him. Kita mo mga mata
Parang
niya
wala na
palagi.
nga. Parang wala
Lagi siya
na.
mukhang George Hill na nasasablay ng free throw. First of all, number one, Eyes, that's a deep cut, brother. I don't like talking about that George
George
Hill free
Hill?
throw. That
Yeah.
pains me to this day, brother. That's a deep cut, Eyes. But number two, he's not wrong. Dude, you need to not want to shoot if you play 28 minutes and take two shots. 'Di ba? Ganun lang talaga yun. Um, I agree with Graham. Something might need to be changed a bit sa starting lineup ng Hinebra. Kasi admittedly, Maya is playing better than Holt. Ralph Koo, even if he had a bad game today, is playing better
Mhm.
than Stephen. Troy Rosario,
Abis is playing better than Holt, man.
yeah. John Abish is wow. John Abish
Yes.
is playing better than Nard Speed right now than Stephen right now. Um, Troy is playing better than Stephen right now. Uh, you know what I mean? Like something kind of needs to shift there. I'm not saying don't play Stephen Holt. Brother, number one, paano tataas trade value niya kung di siya maglalaro? And number two, he still has value in general. Shooter pa rin yan kahit papaano kung tumira yan eh. But there's something that needs to be shifted a bit. Kasi Graham, even if it is hard for him to admit, and hard for me to admit as well, TNT has looked better right now than
A little
Hinebra.
bit. A little bit.
Not by a lot, a little bit though. First two quarters ng, tama, three. First two quarters of game one, Hinebra. Last two quarters ng game one, maybe like 75% TNT, 25% Hinebra kasi nagkaroon sila ng dulo, di ba? In game two, three quarters were TNT. For one quarter was Hinebra. So, at this point, parang when you look at it that way, TNT looks maybe 10% or 5% better than Hinebra, but it's still 1-1. That's basically all this. 1-1 pa rin yung series
Yeah.
na to eh.
Yep.
Right? Hinebra can play as bad as they want. TNT can play as bad as they want, or as good as they want between these first two games. It's 1-1 either way. The reality is, which I hate saying, but it could be true. Uh, Hinebra was 2 4-point shots away from being down 0-2 in this series. But at the same time, TNT could have also been uh, down 0-2 in the series if Jordan Heading and Reynam Batak don't
Very
hit some
bad.
pretty big shots. So it's just a game of runs. It's a game of moments talaga. It's just really about who can hold on to those moments, man.
Yeah, one more thing, Nico, and then we can go if you don't have anything. Madali yung, for example, a player is struggling. It's always a common thing to say na, I think this player will explode the next game. You know, we said that about Andre Karakot, di ba? We said that about other people, Chris Newsom in the Meralcos TNT series. So it's an easy thing to say, but at least those people have the intention to shoot. Ito kasi wala eh, di ba? I mean, you know what I'm saying na parang you teach a fisherman how to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. So, parang ganun. It's not like hindi siya nabibigyan ng opportunity. It's there. You can post up. So, I'm saying, don't think he's coming out with a good game in game 3. I hope I'm wrong. Di ba? Will I cheer because we will be more arena thanks to you, my guy, Toots Billy. We're gonna be more arena in game 3. Will I cheer if he makes a 3-pointer or 2 in game 3? Sure. But am I expecting that to happen? No. Will I go to church to hope for that to happen? Yes.
Speaking of, guys, Graham mentioned it, guys. You will see the three of us.
Yeah.
You will actually see the three of us. If you're gonna watch Samoa on Sunday, you'll see the three of us, man. Me, Nico, and Graham will all be there on Sunday.
I'll try my best not to do the yung nung game 1 sa Spurs Knicks, yung tumakbo kay Wemby. I'll try my best not to do that to Brownlee. But if I can contain myself, then
sorry na lang.
it is what it is. Sorry
They
na
might,
lang.
okay lang naman, dude. They might mistake you lang for vosotros. Ay, si
Oh yeah,
Almond.
oo nga, no? Yeah.
Si Almond naglalaro.
May nakat na yan.
Talaga.
Wala
Dapat
na
for
yan.
TNT ka eh.
Wala pala. Who else can they mistake you for? Yung
We are,
referee, yung isang kalbong referee.
yeah, oo nga, no? Yeah, I'm gonna bring that outfit nga. Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, we'll probably record late on Sunday, whoever wins. So
Yeah,
yeah.
we're
I
coming.
know a lot of people will not get to the end of this video. A lot of people will not get to this video at all, but to whoever will, then yeah, that's the announcement.
Yeah, we'll see you guys on Sunday. Say hi, by the way, if you guys know us. If you don't know us, you know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Okay lang din. Bigyan mo na kami ng pang Starbucks. We are
Also,
Okay,
by
in
the
it.
way,
predictions for
guys,
game 3. Predictions for game 3.
we just found out, not just found out, but we found out a few videos ago you can actually send donations.
Yeah, oh, di ba? Oh, send
Yeah.
donations para may pangkain ako sa dalawang to.
Guys, I'm literally eating popcorn at 12:30 in the morning. I'm fat as hell.
Katas ng
Predictions for game
podcast yan.
3.
That's all he can purchase. Popcorn.
All I can afford is popcorn.
Nico,
After taxes. Ano?
predictions for game 3.
Hinebra. Pero like 6 lang. 5 to 7 range. It's not gonna be a blowout, but it's gonna be a tight game. Hinebra.
Mario.
2-1.
Uh, Probably, I'm always gonna say Hinebra naman. So, yeah.
This is a matter of ano yung range. So, Hinebra ka ba by single digits or double?
Wait lang, confirm ko lang kung Hinebra ako. Teka lang.
Confirm
Oh.
mo lang. Someone has to hindi pwede unanimous Hinebra no?
You,
Sige,
you
TNT ka
think
muna.
you think with what I did in game 2, I earned some credibility?
What do you
Where do-
mean?
I'm gonna say Hinebra by 12.
Oh,
Mm.
pwede naman.
Mm.
Not bad. I mean, Hinebra by
Uh,
12.
I want it to be Hinebra, but I think it might be TNT.
Ooh.
Someone has to be a
Please.
TNT guy, no? Parang,
Yeah, bro, we can't all be Hinebra. I'm sorry.
So,
Like,
TNT
bro.
gets a win on Gin Day Sunday.
grabe yung
Bro,
Diba?
sana.
Play spoiler.
Nico, you only have
I don't
one
hope for it,
role.
man. I'm not hoping for it.
Mario, isa lang role ni Nico to be the TNT guy.
Di
And
pa
you
niya
still
nagigets
leave
Di
it
pa
to
niya
us.
nagigets Di
Ha?
pa niya nagigets Like, his job is to let you
Your
and me pick
job.
Hinebra. So
Wala
that
na
we
kaming
get-
ilaw Pinatay na Meralco
Dude,
Ito generator light.
Tapos last game, di ba, Grim? Last game, he chose Hinebra. You chose TNT. So that was his chance to go Hinebra na. Di niya nagigets
TNT rin ako Tama na ba yung prediction ko?
Hindi na nagigets na for the image of the pod, kailangan may isang naka-TNT.
Ikaw yun.
Yeah, but I'm not Hinebra fan, so it's
Bro, I'm
goes
telling
against-
you. Okay, on the record, if you have an option to be good or to be right, choose to be good. All right. Off the record, I'm or choose to be right. Off the record, of course, I'm trying to be. Actually, it's supposed to be the other way
Kaya mo,
around.
kaya mo
Ano?
to, isa pa.
All right. So
Rewind natin.
since we're recording, if I'm gonna give you an advice, if you have an option to be good or to be right, choose to be good. But as a person, myself, if I have an option to be good or to be right, hell no, F being right. I want to be good. Or I want F being good. I want to be
Ano
right.
ba yan, Graham?
No,
We gave you 2
bro.
tries.
I have a meeting at 12:45. Okay, all right.
Alright,
But
see you boys.
I
Follow
have
5-star rating
Ginebra
on Spotify.
by 12.
Okay, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube.
99.87. 5
Peace.
Adios, amigos.